This video has been produced by Colas Solutions, part of the Colas Australia Group, on a cold mixing and laying process known as ColMat Microsurfacing. The process involves resurfacing existing roads by filling existing ruts and undulations with a levelling course. This is followed by a final wearing course, which is featured in this video. We use a single specialist plant which carries all the raw materials, mixes and applies the new layer in one application. The ingredients are delivered into the pug mill and spread in the paving box using computer-controlled technology.